Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Azure DevOps with GitHub, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect Azure DevOps with GitHub, start by opening your Azure DevOps organization in a web browser. Log in using your credentials if you haven't already. Once you are logged in, navigate to the project where you want to connect GitHub. In the left sidebar, find and click on Project Settings. Scroll down to the Repositories section. Click on Service Connections. In the upper right corner, click on the New Service Connection button. Select GitHub from the list of connection types. Click on the Next button. You will be prompted to authorize Azure DevOps to access your GitHub account. Select Authorize to navigate to GitHub's authorization page. Log into your GitHub account if necessary. Once logged in, review the permissions that Azure DevOps is requesting. Click Authorize Azure DevOps to grant access. After authorization, return to the Azure DevOps interface. Here, you can name your service connection for easier identification. Optionally, enable the checkbox for Grant Access Permission to all pipelines if you want to share this connection across multiple pipelines. Click on Save to finalize the creation of the service connection. Now, navigate to the Pipelines section in the left sidebar. Click on New Pipeline. Choose GitHub as the location of your code. You may be prompted to sign in to GitHub again if you're not already authenticated. Once authenticated, select the repository from your GitHub account. Click Continue after selecting your repository. Configure your pipeline settings as needed. After setting up your pipeline, click on Run to test the integration. Check that your Azure DevOps pipeline is running smoothly with your GitHub repository. Congratulations, you have successfully connected Azure DevOps with GitHub. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.